Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're posing the question, will things change for Thai business visas? And why would they change? Well, in the context of the fact that the emergency decree is coming to an end October 1 of 2022, could this have an impact on Thai business visa processing? My answer would be possibly. And the reason I would say possibly is because, one, everything's circumstantially dependent, but the biggest thing I see being a possible issue with respect to business visas is the issue of visa conversion. For those who are unaware what that is, visa conversion means you come in on some sort of visa, for example, a visa exemption stamp, and then once in country you decide, I want to get a business visa. In the past, and this, I think, may be what reverts the paradigm that comes back in the aftermath of the emergency decree being rescinded. But in the past, going back to before March 2020, the thinking always has been, look, on a non-immigrant visa, you're not an immigrant. You don't have rights of abode in Thailand. If you're on a certain category of visa and you want to change that category, you need to leave, go to a consulate or embassy, get the other category of visa, come back in, and then use that visa to extend your status in the country. The presumption was they didn't really want to see you switch from one non-immigrant category to another in country because it's a non-immigrant category. You should do that abroad and come back in. Now, obviously, for 2.5 years, that wasn't overly feasible, and certain discretionary powers were granted to Thai immigration under the provisions of the emergency decree, which allowed them some leeway and latitude to make decisions about conversion. And for the most part, although I did see them deny some, for the most part, they did conversions. They were sympathetic to folks' situation, and we were seeing a lot more conversions than I had ever seen before in the, 13 years I've been in Thailand up to that point. Things are changing now. We're seeing the emergency decree rescinded. Could that paradigm change? I think it's very possible. I'm not saying it's a foregone conclusion, but I'm saying it's very, very possible. Could this have ramifications for Thai business visas? Very much so. Whereas in the past, it might be possible to come in on one status and switch to business visa in country. That may not be so feasible anymore. Again, it's going to be circumstantially dependent. For those who find this is a bit overwhelming, it may not be a terrible idea to contact a legal professional, gain some insight and guidance into how best to proceed.